Today we're gonna be talking about the new wheel that came in. This is the old wheel, 12 inches stock that comes on a SSR 125cc. As you can see, it was real bald, like very bald, like bald like my head a little bit. Yeah, I have to get that thing off of there. Yeah, these things come with a 12mm bearing and axle. Here's a new wheel. It's a 14-inch. 14-inch, 90, 100, 14. I got it off of Amazon for $100. Man, I say this thing is beautiful. This is beautiful. Well, it was pretty simple how I replaced this wheel. So you're just gonna count these threads before you actually take the wheel off. So when you put the wheel back on, you know how many threads to leave out once you replace the wheel. And I guess this is for the wheel alignment. But you're gonna loosen this bolt up right here. Then you're gonna be able to loosen this up and bring that back. Then you're gonna loosen up this bolt. You're gonna do the same thing for the other side. They have wheels that come with these on there, the brake disc and the sprocket. But as you see, mine didn't come with that. So I actually used the sprocket and the brake disc from my old 12mm wheel and put it on here, which is pretty simple also. You're just gonna take this off, these off, and I'll be able to pull right out of there. And the same thing with this one, which is gonna actually have a 6-star key. And I kept the 12mm wheel bearing.